Welcome to Trivia Quiz Arena. Think farm animals are easy. Let's test your skills. Let's start with easy level. What farm animal gives us milk? It's the cow, one of the most important farm animals. Nice start! This animal loves mud. Pig. And yes, they're actually very smart. This bird lays eggs and says cluck. Chicken. Easy one, right? This strong animal is often used for riding. Horse. They've worked alongside humans for thousands of years. This fluffy animal gives us wool. Sheep. Still doing good. This animal quacks. Duck. They can swim just hours after being born. This farm animal has horns and loves to climb. Goat. Level 1 complete. Let's move to the medium level. Are you ready? This male chicken wakes up the farm in the morning. Rooster. That early crow is hard to miss. This large bird is often seen during Thanksgiving. Turkey. They can actually fly short distances. This animal looks like a small horse with long ears. Donkey. Stronger than they look. You're halfway there. How many do you have so far? Drop your score in the comments. This farm bird is bigger than a duck and hisses. Goose. They can be surprisingly protective. This animal looks like a small camel without humps. Llama. They're often used to guard livestock. This animal looks like a llama but has softer wool. Alpaca. Did that one trick you? This animal often lives in barns and hunts mice. Barn cat. A farm's natural pest control. Hard level. Let's see how sharp you are. What do you call a baby cow? Calf. Not as easy as it looks. What do you call a baby goat? Kid. Cute name, right? What do you call a baby chicken? Chick. Small but fast. What do you call a baby duck? Duckling. Almost everyone loves ducklings. This small insect helps farms by pollinating plants. Honeybee. Tiny, but incredibly important. This intelligent farm dog is famous for herding sheep. Border Collie. One of the smartest dog breeds. Great job! How many did you get out of 20? 0 to 7. Farm beginner. 8 to 14. Farm helper. 15 or more. Farm expert. Comment your score. And subscribe for more fun family quizzes.